Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Docker desktop requires a newer WSL kernel version error in Windows 11, 10. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel, click Programs and Features. Click Turn Windows features on or off. Check Virtual Machine Platform and also check Windows Hypervisor Platform. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. Copy link from description and paste it. Click download the latest package and install. Paste the text from description and paste it. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.